In this video, we listed the 5 best solar panels on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XINPUGUANG Flexible Solar Panel. The XINPUGUANG flexible solar panel sets are designed for versatile applications such as car, home, and camping use, featuring options ranging from 100W to 400W. Constructed with monocrystalline silicon, they offer efficiency ratings of 23% to 24%. Key specifications include maximum power outputs of 100W and 150W, open circuit voltages up to 25.9 V, and varying dimensions and weights depending on the model. These panels are semi-flexible, facilitating easy installation on irregular surfaces like RV roofs and boats. They are equipped with IP67 rated junction boxes with built-in Schottky diodes for reverse current protection. Operating in temperatures from -40°C to +80°C, they are robustly built with PET, EVA film, and TPT layers for durability and weather resistance. Ideal for diverse outdoor settings, these panels promise reliability and ease of use backed by over a decade of manufacturing experience in the solar industry. Number 2. BOGUANG 18V Flexible Solar Panel. The BOGUANG flexible solar panel sets offer various options including 100W, 150W, and higher capacities suitable for diverse applications like cars, homes, and camping. These monocrystalline silicon panels boast efficiencies up to 24% and are customized to withstand harsh conditions with waterproof IP67 junction boxes and durable materials like PET and EVA film. Featuring dimensions tailored for flexibility and ease of installation on irregular surfaces, they include practical features such as integrated Schottky diodes to prevent reverse current. Each panel undergoes rigorous testing under standard conditions to ensure optimal performance, making them ideal for users seeking reliable solar energy solutions worldwide. Number 3. ETFE 300W Solar Panel. This product overview details a range of solar panels and associated equipment designed for outdoor and emergency use. The solar panels include both foldable and flexible options made from monocrystalline silicon cells, ensuring durability, waterproofing, and eco-friendliness. The larger panel measures 860 by 660 mm and offers a rated power of 150W with an efficiency of 20.3%. It features ETFE packaging and comes equipped with a junction box and MC4 connector. The smaller semi-flexible panel, sized at 950 by 500 mm, also utilizes monocrystalline silicon cells and ETFE packaging, providing similar power output. Additionally, the overview includes details on a solar controller and a pure sine wave power inverter, which converts DC to AC, making it suitable for powering various household appliances and electronics in off-grid or mobile settings. These products emphasize portability, efficiency, and robust design suitable for outdoor activities and emergency preparedness. Number 4. 200W Glass Rigid Solar Panel. The 200W solar panels offered a high-quality monocrystalline modules designed for efficient power generation in various applications such as camping, home, and RV use. They feature dimensions of 1140 by 700 by 25 mm or 1160 by 700 by 25 mm and are constructed with toughened glass for durability and resistance to hailstorms, boasting IP67 waterproofing. Each panel includes 48 or 36 monocrystalline silicon cells, offering an impressive 24% cell efficiency. Operating under standard test conditions with an irradiance of 1000 W, m², and a temperature of 25, these panels deliver maximum power outputs of either 200W or 400W, depending on configuration. They come with a comprehensive warranty covering 5 years and a lifespan of 25 years, ensuring reliability and longevity in solar energy solutions. Number 5. ALLPOWERS Solar Panel. The ALLPOWERS solar panels come in various models catering to different power needs and portability requirements. The 400W panel utilizes polycrystalline silicon with an ETFE coating for durability and mobility, offering high efficiency even in cloudy conditions. It's foldable, IP67, rated for dust and water resistance, and includes connectors for various generators. The 200W and 140W panels similarly feature high efficiency and portability, suitable for a range of outdoor activities with waterproof construction and multiple output options. The 100W and 60W panels provide compact, lightweight solutions with dual USB and DC outputs, ideal for charging smaller devices in diverse outdoor settings. ALLPOWERS emphasizes durability, efficiency, and compatibility across its solar panel range, ensuring reliable performance for both casual outdoor use and emergency preparedness.